Here we are with the realistic TRC1001 handheld. This is set number 1 from this customer, which we serviced earlier. If you saw the video, I'm just going to say straight away that we've already had a comment. I had one of these and they're in America. No, you didn't have one of these. You had something which is in the same case. And I've actually dug out a scrap chassis of a realistic TRC1009, which is the set in the same case. This is the American AM set, which we've got one of here. We've bought in as a scrap chassis. There's some useful bits, but it has no resemblance. There's nothing whatsoever to do with, and these were 2 years earlier. So this is an FM UK set. The range boost side panels aren't bullshit. The range boost side panels make your body into the ground plane. I'm going to use the internal microphone and let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. If only I take it off channel 19 and put it on 31. Check we've got the squelch somewhere near. We'll go over to extension speaker using the jack there. I could use an external microphone, but I really can't be bothered to get one out, and it's not come with one, so there's no point testing. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, I'll plug my extension squeaker in.
Roger.
So we never get a good connection with all this adapted into the external aerial socket. The telescopic aerials, we find we get about 6 miles range on those. I have had 14 miles on one of these, between one of these and our car with the Red Thunder aerial. And that was at Sheffield. I was quite high up, but I wasn't upstairs in the building. Tango 21 now ready.
Yep, roger that.
Excellent.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and on this radio there is no tone control.
Roger.
I don't know whether he's guessed what set I'm doing because I didn't tell him, but he would have heard some of the editing of the repair video.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
I believe these are the best range hand portable that has ever been on the UK market, along with the TRC1005, which is the later one, the little liquid crystal display, but the liquid crystal display makes the radio less reliable.
Roger. Passing Lancaster service station, 152.9, 157.9.
Roger on that. Has that changed, do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a penny up on diesel, isn't it?
Oh, cheeky, what's it?
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, no, you're doing very well this week, going through it and not getting stuck there. Roger on that.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a realistic TRC1001 and portable from 1981. It's doing just a shade under 3 watts over.
Yep, roger that, well, it's all received.
Well, that's because we go to an adaptive tree.
Roger. Crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the 7th turn, Roger.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5.5 mile point, Rollspeed level crossing lay-by.
Roger, got you at the 5.5 mile temporary point. I'm on a realistic 1001, doing a shade under 3 watts through the adaptive tree, drawing 570 milliamps to do that power. I'm going to drop it to low power, which is about 200 milliwatts on this. 5.321, there we are on low power, drawing 250 milliamps. And there we are back on to full power, over.
Yep, roger that. Well, despite being 250 milliwatts, that was all received, although he was showing me no S points at all.
Well, there you go, this is it, and on top of that, we're running this through an adapter tree out of the phono socket. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5.5 mile point, Rollspeed level crossing lay-by.
Roger, got you at the 5.5 mile temporary point. So I'm on a realistic 1001, doing a shade under 3 watts through the adapter tree. drawing 570 milliamps to do that power. I'm going to drop it to low power, which is about 200 milliwatts on this. 54321, there we are on low power, drawing 250 milliamps, and there we are back onto full power over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, despite being 250 milliwatts, that was all received, although he was showing me no X points at all.
Well, there you go. You know, this is it, and on top of that, you know, we're running this through an adapter tree out of the phono socket. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, didn't hear any of that, but 155.7, 159.9.
Okay, roger on that. Well, that's on me. Thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. So I wonder if you've got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over.
Yep, didn't hear any of that, but 155.7, 159.9.
Okay, Roger on that. Well, that concludes the test. Thank you very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, that worked fine. So sounds great on that external speaker. Mind you, you get about a 2.5-inch speaker in this set, so that's the same size as you get in modern radios. So you know they are quite good. So I say that, to my mind, this is the best hand portable ever for the UK market. Yes, the new ones. You know, when I'll just reach for this President current model, when you kind of compare the two, dwarfs it, doesn't it? Still the same kind of power output, but you see they're giving you these rubber duck aerials, and you get half the range. But obviously you can still plug it in like we've done that. So whether or not those will survive 40 years is another question, isn't it? So one of the things about these is I don't like the transmitted audio, the way the AGC works. You get a very loud peak and then it rapidly drops off. And that peak actually over deviates just for that 1/10 of a second. Anyway, we'll go over to our base station. You'll see what I mean. We're just going to use it on the built-in microphone. Oh yeah, and tomorrow, I'll say this before we go over to that, I'm going to do another hand portable. We're going to do a... somebody said to me they bought a... Oh, I forgot what it was. But it uses the Great chassis. It's that one with the big meter on the front, which looked like the naughty CTVR one. But it's the UK FM version. And they've got a channel down, which of course is a Duff crystal. And you know, crystals are £35 to have made, and it's a lot of money to spend on something that's 40 years old, and the other crystals are probably going to go down rapidly. So I'm going to do one of those which we've got, and it is a great branded, great set. So we'll discuss crystals in that video. So go over to the base station.
Tango 21 testing the realistic 1001 hand portable into our base station, and this is on the high power setting, which is about 3 watts on this set, and this is as a hum test. 1 2 3 4 5 5